Right, today I'm going to try and disassemble the jigsaw job. I'm going to be as quick as I can because I only have a minute because I want this to be a YouTube short. Thank you.